Today, let's dive deep into the heart of South Africa's 2024 elections, where the spotlight was not just on the voters or the candidates, but also on a key figure, Enoch Cavendale. He led the SEOM, or the SADC Electoral Observer Mission, through this significant event. As the head of SEOM, Cavendale wasn't just a passive observer. No, he was on the ground, visiting multiple voting stations, engaging with election officials and ensuring everything was up to the democratic standards set by the SADC. Now you might wonder, what exactly does an electoral observer do? Well, they play a crucial role in ensuring the transparency and fairness of elections. They check if the voting process is accessible to everyone, monitor for any signs of coercion or fraud, and generally make sure that the elections are conducted according to international standards. This year's elections in South Africa were mostly peaceful and were declared free and fair. However, it wasn't without its challenges. Some voting stations opened late, and there were technical glitches. Moreover, Cavendale pointed out a significant issue: voter education. It appears that many voters were confused about certain electoral processes, especially with the introduction of independent candidates in the third ballot paper. This confusion can partly be traced back to the Electoral Commission of South Africa. According to Cavendale and other observers, the Commission didn't provide sufficient civic and voter registration education concerning new law reforms. This lack of information could potentially disenfranchise voters or lead to uninformed decisions at the ballot box. The observer missions, including the one led by Cavendale, recommended that the government debate and pass new electoral amendments well ahead of elections to prevent such issues in the future. It's a call for proactive governance to educate and empower voters, ensuring everyone understands their rights and the implications of their choices. So, what's next for South Africa and its democracy? With recommendations from international observers like Cavendale, the hope is to see improvements in voter education and electoral processes. The aim is not just to conduct elections, but to enhance the democratic fabric of the nation. As political enthusiasts, we must keep an eye on these developments. Observers like Cavendale aren't just watchdogs, they are beacons of hope for a fair, transparent and educated voting process. Thanks for tuning in, and let's continue to explore and understand the intricate dance of democracy around the world. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.